6 mega boxes, 2020 Panini Chronicles. Just gonna go for the rookies. Darius Sneed, Darnell Mooney. Got the Vertex, DeAndre Swift. I said just gonna go for the rookies, which is like every single card in this product, it feels like. James Robinson, James Morgan, Chenault, Clear Vision, and you got Jalen Hurts. I believe it's a parallel for Playbook. Nice looking card there. Unfortunately, a lot of these, I don't know if you guys can tell, but right off the bat, kind of got some edge and corner issues, unfortunately, which is really frustrating. Got a Prism here. Gabriel Davis, Rieger, Justin Jefferson. Very nice. Cards just look, the Prism Blacks just look amazing. James Robinson, Justin Jefferson, got a clear vision of Edwards Hilaire, and a Chase Young parallel, Luminance. Michael Pittman, Patrick Queen, got Chenault, Denagon, Refractor. Got Tua, Gridiron Kings, Henry Ruggs, Clear Vision, CD Lamb, Gridiron Kings parallel. Henry Ruggs rookie, Jonathan Taylor, Jacob Eason, Justin Jefferson Denagon, got another Prism here, got Justin Herbert Playbook, Jerry Jeudy, and our Prism Black is Cole Kmet. DeAndre Swift parallel as well. Yeah, this is a pretty fun break because you can get a ton of big name cards. And the Prism Black silver though, that's what I really want to see. Jonathan Taylor, Edwards Hilaire, Henry Ruggs. And the last pack of box one. And there it is. Got Jalen Hurts, Brandon Aiyuk, and Chase Claypool. Not a bad card there. Really good looking, clean, pretty centered, I think. A little bit more left to right. Sorry, yeah, more space on the left and right. It's a little off center, but great card from the guy who did really well last year. Box 2. Got a Prism here. Got T. Higgins playbook. Gabriel Davis on the base Prism. Another Justin Jefferson. Denzel Mims, Jalen Reagor, got a clear vision of DeAndre Swift, and Cole Kmet. Let's see, Jeremy Chin, got Justin Herbert, Gridiron Kings, Jalen Reagor, Silver, Dynagon. CD Lamb, got a Joe Burrow Luminance, Play Up Momentum, Jerry Jeudy, and Joshua Kelly. Get that Burrow stat going. Past few football breaks, been getting a lot of Burrow, so we'll see if the streak continues here. Edwards-Helaire, Jordan Love, Jalen Reagor, Dynagon. CD Lamb, Justin Jefferson. Wow. Who's got the Eagles here? Oh, wow. Elwood. Congratulations. This is not something that you expect all the time in a mega box break, but killed it. Jalen Hurts. A legacy rookie autograph. Numbered, what was it, 23/99. Huge hit there. Congratulations. Sticker auto, but beautiful card. I've not seen anything quite like that out of these boxes, and I've opened up a good bit of them. Congrats to the Eagles. James Robinson, DeAndre Swift, the CD Lamb rookie, another Jalen Hurts score refractor, very nice. This is a Jalen Hurts kind of day, I guess, for us here. Let's see. Darnell Mooney, James Robinson, got a Vertex CD Lamb, and a T. Higgins parallel rookie from Chronicles. Last pack of Mega Box 2, which was very good to us. James Morgan, Gabriel Davis, clear vision of James Robinson, and KJ Hamler parallel. Alright, Mega Box 3. Cam Akers rookie. Got two Illuminates. J.K. Dobbins, James Robinson Vertex. See, another Jalen Hurts, Chase Young rookie, got Jordan Love clear vision, and Jalen Johnson. Really nice hit on the clear vision. For those that are interested in Jordan Love, he looks like Rodgers is going to be around for another year, so Jordan will probably be waiting for a little more longer. It looks like. Definitely thought it was possible with all the drama going on that Rodgers could leave. CeeDee Lamb, DeAndre Swift, Prism Black is, of course, Jalen Hurts. Eagles are doing pretty well here. Henry Ruggs, T. Higgins, Brandon Ayuk, clear vision, and Jordan Love, parallel, Gridiron Kings. Let's see, Chenault, Brian Edwards. Very nice. Joe Burrow, Legacy Refractor for the Bengals. Doing pretty well with this set here. Dobbins, Zach Moss, Cam Akers, Raider rookie, Good Donruss, and Jerry Jeudy. Michael P. Ryan, T. Higgins, another Jalen Hurts, Dynagon. At this point, wouldn't be shocked if we get another Jalen Hurts autograph or something. Gabriel Davis, Denzel Mims, Prism is DeAndre Swift, and got another Tua Luminance parallel. Last two packs of box 3. Jalen Reagor rookie, Jeremy Chin, Chase Young score. Got Herbert, CeeDee Lamb, Prism Black Silver, Joe Burrow. Very nice for the Bengals. Another big one. Congrats. Got the Bengals and the Eagles covered pretty well in this break here. Beautiful looking card. Huge hit. Just the type of thing we're looking for going into this. You're not necessarily expecting to get any big autographs, which we lucked out we did, but let's keep it going. We still got 3 more boxes. Chase Young, got Joe Burrow, and T. Higgins Prism Black. Taylor, T. Higgins, clear vision of Aya, and 2 of parallel. Whitlow. Hope this is what I think it is. Got 2 of playbook, and it is. Justin Herbert, Dynagon Silver. Very nice looking card. Trying to take care of the Chargers here in this one as well. No, the Bengals and Eagles have done pretty well. Gotta get the other big QB teams with some love out here. Jordan Love, Luminance, Antonio Gibson, Jacob Eason, and Jordan Love, Luminance. Parallel this time. So I'm loading up on the QB rookie cards right now. Jacob Eason, Jake Fromm, got a Dynagon of Antonio Gibson, let's try and hit one more auto here. Henry Ruggs, Zach Moss, Prism Black is Antonio Gibson. And another Antonio Gibson there. Terrell Williams, Henry Ruggs, yeah, Tua, Legacy, Crow. Edwards-Helaire, Cam Akers, Prism Silver, Jacob Eason, the Colts, and another Eason there. Not bad getting the QBs. Last 2 packs of box 4. Pittman, Tyler Johnson, Chenault, Vertex. P. Ryan, Clear Vision, Jake. Chase Young. Got a Burrow, Gridiron Kings, and Prism Black is a Burrow. Not bad. Another one for the Bengals. Jonathan Taylor, T. Higgins, got Justin Jefferson, Clear Vision, and Michael Pittman. Jake Fromm, got Tua. Wow, another Joe Burrow. Going on these streaks here. Joe Burrow, Legacy Refractor, which is another one we got earlier. So at this point, definitely having, I think, 3 weeks in a row for us here with some Burrow magic. So guess I'm your guy for Burrow. Maybe not so much Herbert, but let's see. Jordan Love, Antonio Gibson, Julian Blackmon, rated rookies. Jacob Eason, Jake Fromm, Antonio Gibson, and Henry Ruggs. Let's keep this going. Darrell Williams, LaVisca Chenault, Prism Black, and Kenneth Murray. Henry Ruggs, Edwards-Helaire, Chase Young, Score, and T. Higgins. Those of you popping in for the Bowman Sapphire break, we got one more mega box after this of Chronicles to go. Let's see what we got here. Cole Kmet. Prism Black, Silver. And yeah, the Bowman Sapphire break probably won't take too long. Gotta get some more top loaders here. Zach Moss, got T. Higgins Vertex, and last pack of box 5. Antonio Gibson, Isaiah Simmons, Zach Moss, and J.K. Dobbins. got silver off the bat. Got two Gridiron Kings. J.K. Dobbins, and our silver is Jake Fromm. Score. Henry Ruggs, Michael Pittman, Patrick Queen, got a Legacy Chrome, Chase Claypool. James Robinson, Justin Jefferson, got a Prism Black, Jonathan Taylor, and DeAndre Swift. Gabriel Davis, Jalen Reagor, got Justin Jefferson Dynagon. James Robinson, James Morgan, DeAndre Swift playing with momentum, acetate, and CD Lamb. Darius Sneed, Darnell Mooney, and another Joe Burrow silver. Dynagon this time. Yeah, not that Burrow. Congrats to the Bengals here. This is not a bad run. Last 4 packs here. And Joe Burrow, Clear Vision. This does not stop. It's not something I'm going to complain about here. Packs to go. Justin Jefferson, James Robinson, Prism Black is James Robinson for the Jags. Jordan Love, Playbook. CD Lamb, Ed Jacob Eason Clear Vision, and Jalen Hurts Parallel. Last pack, guys and girls. Another Burrow, Edwards-Helaire, Zach Moss, Vertex, Kyler Murray to wrap things up. Well, let's see, do a quick little recap. Big one, of course, was the Jalen Hurts Legacy Auto. And then we got tons of Burrow action. including the silver prism black. You got silver of Chase Claypool and Justin Herbert as well. So huge day for the Bengals spot here. No doubt about that. But everybody pretty well represented, getting a lot of rookie cards, which is always fun. Yeah, congrats to everybody.